guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe down below. My name's Tasha. Today's video is unboxing the Mylee wax kit. So if you're here to watch this, get a coffee and relax, and let's get into the video. So firstly, you get your pre-care cleansing gel. This is basically just before you wax. You just want to clean the area before you apply your wax. So yeah, you get this. It's also cruelty free and vegan, so that's always good. So you get that. You also get your Aftercare lotion, and this is also cruelty and vegan as well. Cruelty free and vegan. So yeah, you get that. And you just apply this after you've ripped your wax off, just to like soften and moisturize the area, and it reduces the redness as well. Then you obviously get a box of spatulas, just like that. So yeah, you just get like 100 of these or so. So yeah, you get this. Just a box of spatulas. Then obviously you get your waxing strips. They're just like, if you haven't waxed before, they're just like thin bits of material. So yeah, you get 2 packets of those. And then obviously you get your Mylee wax. So it says on the box it's professional wax heater, and it's 500 milliliters, and it's for body and face. So yeah. Also has a bunch of instructions as well. So in here you should also find your rose cream wax, which is also cruelty free and vegan. And this is more for like sensitive skin, like it's just a better wax for your skin if you have sensitive skin, because it reduces redness and inflammation of the skin, and it's not as harsh. So if you're a first time user and you have sensitive skin, I would just opt for this one, because it's the safest one. So yeah, you get that. So this is the wax kit. Obviously this is when it's off. On, you kind of want to put it on high when you're melting your wax, but when you get it to the right temperature, you just want to go and switch it onto medium. So yeah, so you get that. Comes with this lid obviously. Then it also has a little bucket where you can put your wax in, or you can like get little pellets, I guess, so you don't have to melt the full wax pot every time. So yeah, you can put those in there, and it's just easier to clean out. But I guess if you're just using the pot, I guess you can just put it in this bit. So yeah, you get this and that. So yeah, and the lid just twists on. So yeah, this is the wax kit. The wire's not that long, so I would recommend an extension cable. So yeah, this is the wax kit, and let's go heat it up. So I've just done that, and it also tells you how to use soft wax on this side, and it also tells you how to use the hard wax on this side. So that's pretty good if you don't know what you're doing. So you get that, and also you get this little booklet about the heater and everything. It just has a few pages about it. Has a step-by-step instructions, a setup instructions, and yeah, it's just a good little thing to read if you don't know anything about it or anything. So yeah, you get that. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to apply it once it has melted. Should be like a honey consistency, like that. So we're going to start by putting gloves on. I haven't ordered any gloves yet. This is why I'm using hair dyeing gloves. So if you're doing this at home, if you have any hair dyeing gloves, just use those, as the wax does stick to you quite often. So first you just want to take a cotton pad, if I can get one. So you just want to take a cotton pad and your pre-cleansing gel and apply that. So you just want that amount, if you can see. You just want to rub that on the area waxing, where you're going to wax. So I'm just going to wax up here. And then the wax should be ready now because it's on green. It's on red until it's ready, and then this green light should show when it's done. And you just want to put it on medium, which I have done. So the hair is going this way. I have previously waxed this at college because we practice on each other. So I'm not going to wax that because it's grown back. So imagine the hair is growing this way. So imagine the hair grows this way on this side of the arm, and then you rip it off in the opposite direction. So that's what we're going to do. So you just want to take a decent amount of wax and twizzle it around, and then you just want to apply it. So you just want to apply it downwards, like so. So once that is on, you just want to take your wax strip, apply that. Make sure you put a decent amount of pressure on it so it rips off all in one. And then all you do is go like this. And then it's done. So yeah, it is a really good wax heater if you are using it at home. And then to finish it off, you just want to use your Aftercare lotion and rub it in. So you just want a little bit of Aftercare. Put it on this hand actually. About a penny sized, because it does actually go a long way. You just want to rub that on the area where you have just waxed. When I say it goes a long way, it actually does. It's actually turned me white. So you just want to rub that in until it disappears. And then it prevents the redness and swelling. So as you can see, my arm looks a little bit red, if you can see that. So yeah, just moisturises your skin and makes it hydrated. So that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Amazon kit was £50 from Amazon. I will link it below. Thank you to all the girls in my little group for supporting me and commenting and always watching my videos. I will link you guys below. Make sure to check them out if you haven't already, and Also, if I have missed anyone, just raise your hands in the comments. And thank you girls so much for watching. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want to join my YouTube family, then please go ahead, because it makes me so happy, and I'm so grateful for you all watching and supporting my videos. So if you want to see my face in the future, then please do subscribe. I also have a massive Shein haul on the way. If you don't want to miss that, then keep looking out for it. It should be live this Sunday, but if not, it should be live at some point in the week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.